Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with an exciting video. Today I'm planning to make a creamy curry lentil soup. It's pretty easy to make and you can find all the ingredients at home. And also, especially in this weather, soup is keep you warm. So please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for this recipe, I have a red and yellow lentil. It was soaking about 30-40 minutes, and I have some diced up potato, and I'm gonna use some celery stick and some chopped leeks, onion, garlic, ginger, and some green chili, carrot, and coriander. So I'm gonna start chopping all the vegetable now. Creamy curry lentil soup. I'm gonna use a couple of spoons of oil. Not so much, just a couple of tablespoons. And I'm using butter also, about 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna melt everything. Now I'm gonna add our red onion. This is about 1 medium size onion. And also garlic, ginger, about 5-6 cloves of garlic, and about 1 small piece of ginger. We're gonna saute. So now I'm gonna add my about half a cup of diced carrot, small dice, and also half a cup of diced celery. And also chopped leek, half a cup. It's optional leeks if you wanna use it. I have it in the fridge, so I thought I'm gonna use it to give a nice flavor also. So we're gonna saute everything nice. So now I'm adding about 1 cup of diced potato. This is also optional. I like to use potato for this soup because it gives a soup little body and nice flavor to it. Especially whenever you make any kind of lentil, you just add little pieces of potato to double the flavor of the lentil. So now I'm gonna add our lentil, which is soaked about for 30-40 minutes. We're gonna saute a little bit. So now I'm gonna add our chicken stock. You can use vegetable stock or just the water also. This is optional, whatever you feel like. I'm using a chicken stock which is I made earlier. It's simple, just chicken bone, some herbs, spices, and we just cook for a few hours and then strain it. So now I'm gonna add it to our soup. So keep in mind, your stock is strong and nice, your soup gonna be nice and good, more flavorful. So we're gonna let it cook for about hour and a half. Oh, actually about 30-40 minutes until everything nice and tender. So we're gonna let it cook. So lentil gonna cook nice and tender. So our soup start to boil now. I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoning, about 2 teaspoons of salt. One teaspoon of coriander powder. Also 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. And also I'm gonna add a little bit of green chili. 1 large green chili and some coriander leaf chopped up. I want to add it to the soup, give a little kick to the soup. gonna stir a little bit. We can adjust the seasoning in the end. Salt, if you less salt, you can add some more salt. So we're gonna lower the heat and let it cook the soup. So all the vegetable nicely cooked, lentil is cooked. So in few minutes I'm gonna blend everything together. So now I'm gonna blend it with the hand blender. Look amazing, nice and smooth. So I'm gonna finish it off our soup, and then we're gonna do some presentation. I'm gonna add some cream to it, so give a little creamy look, about like 2 to 3 teaspoons or tablespoon. It give a nice depth and flavor to the soup. And I'm gonna put some fresh chopped coriander. So our soup is ready. Now I'm gonna do some presentation of the soup. Looks so yummy. So we're gonna use our soup bowl. We're gonna drop some soup in there. Have some croton. You can use some cooked rice also, or crackers or anything crispy, crunchy if you prefer. I like croton, so I'm gonna put some croton and some coriander chop. That's our delicious creamy curry lentil soup ready. And I'm gonna drizzle some heavy cream, just a few drops. Give a little nice look to the soup. Voila. So thanks for watching this video. Came out very nice, look amazing. And also you can use any vegetable that's available to you. Use the same process, use the lentil, you can use a different kind of lentil also. It's pretty easy to make and it's very healthy and delicious soup, especially in the cold weather. It will help you to keep you warm. Please do try this recipe and also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our video, consider subscribe our channel, and I will be back with another exciting video pretty soon. Take care of yourself, stay safe, Allah Hafiz everyone.